Hello, my name is Sandra Rawlings. I am doing my internship through Lifeways Hospital. It is a nonprofit organization that has its headquarters out of Ontario, but has several locations throughout both Idaho, Oregon, Wyoming, and Utah. I mainly work out of the Nampa office or Boise. So some of the health social problems being addressed by the agency is the lack of mental health services, particularly in rural areas. Also just substance use and abuse, and also internship opportunities for future social workers to fill in the large gaps that we have within the people that can come work within the social work community. Some of the policies and laws that impact the client system and delivery of services is just the billing statutes. As we all know, insurance can be a nightmare. Also, the lack of ability to bill intern hours through the agency is a big hindrance. Another one that some of the counselors there feel is a hindrance is Lifeways itself has a mandated abuse reporting, not just for older vulnerable adults and children, but they consider anybody being abused a vulnerable adult. So it creates this lack of desire on some clients to want to get services due to that. So they do have a board of directors that has several people on the board throughout the valley, anywhere from St. Al's to people up in Montana and Oregon. So right now Lifeways has 4 real big programs under it. The inpatient hospital is a 24/7 inpatient acute psychiatric hospital. It has 16 beds that service adults only. They do voluntary or mental holds. And then along with that, we also have a crisis center, which is a 23-hour and 59-minute facility, which basically means that it's there for people in acute crisis, but it's not really an inpatient facility. You're not supposed to stay over 24 hours. Not that that never happens, but technically 24 hours is the cap. It also only serves adults. So the IOP program, which is what I'm going to go over next, is mainly what I'm working in. It's the intensive outpatient program. It's fairly new within Lifeways, and it's also adults only. It's intensive services specializing in group therapy, individual therapy, medication management, and case management. And all that's grouped into about 3 days a week for 3 hours. The individuals go to group therapy, and then they also meet with their individual therapists throughout the week, and they meet with a med manager every week, and also have ability to have case management services. So I've been leading a lot of the group therapy sessions, so psychoeducation and skill building groups on substance abuse, anger, PTSD, a range of mental health. So focusing on a lot of like CBT and DBT therapy. We also have outpatient services. So this is just standard counseling, case and med management. With our outpatient services, unlike all the others who are adults only, our outpatient services do service couples, individual, family, children, adolescents, and adults. They also do have school-based services, so clinicians go into almost 20 schools in that area, anywhere from elementary, middle, and high school, and they provide therapy. So funding sources, we are a nonprofit, so we rely on grants, community partnerships, there is fee for service. So I should have said the mission state earlier, but Lifeway's professionals deliver individualized hands-on services designed to embrace and create hope. We are committed to providing comprehensive, high-quality programs and services through counseling, suicide prevention, and intervention, working with you every step of the way to secure a brighter future. Also through that, they really focus on other school programs, working with the Southwest District of Health and WIC to be able to find the resources for these individuals who need more intensive therapy to be able to engage in that therapy. And as far as modalities that we use or intervention techniques, it's mainly, as I said, we use a mix of CBT and DBT to assist in psychoeducation and skill building groups, focus a lot on the coping mechanisms and just like mindfulness and awareness of the mental health issues that are present. And as far as accountability for the internship program, internship hours are not billed, as I stated, so I do get to work very closely with my supervisor. So she pretty much just supervises all of my hours in group and all of the classes that I'm running. So I'm lucky enough to get to work really closely with her. And then outside of being supervised by her, I also sit in on a lot of one-on-one therapies with other counselors. And so that is my presentation on my internship and my placement. And I hope you enjoy it, and you guys have a good day.